Morning. Today is Saturday, no? My wife bought me the truck last week, so I'm very excited. This is my Tacoma 2019. 2019 Tacoma. It's very nice. Inside, we show you inside. Inside it have leather seat. It's very nice seat. So we have a lot of room on the back, you know. At the front, see in the front is like normal Tacoma, but this one is off-road. My wife bought me the cover seat, so I put it on yesterday. It's perfect. So inside it have navigation. It have map. Let me see, is that on the map? Navigation. It have map. One CD player. And it have four-wheel drive. Four-wheel drive and do control temperature. And also this model have cross control too. Yeah. Cross control. First time I thought this truck is like I'm gonna buy the regular four-wheel drive, like SR5 four-wheel drive. But when I see this truck, you know, the price is pretty much like 5,000–6,000 different. You know, if I bought the SR5 Tacoma four-wheel drive, it cost me about out the door is like 37. Okay. But this one out the door, I got 41,000 out the door. Okay, and I like the rim is very nice. Yeah, you know, the I bought is like 40 miles already, 45 miles. So I'm driving, it's like 113 miles right now. So yeah, this is the first time I video this Tacoma. You know, I will do another time, because this time I ordered the Tailgate Tacoma, the leather. Okay, I will put it on today. Okay, and I have been ordered the side step. See, the Tacoma not come with the side step. It's option. The dealer put it on. It cost maybe $700 or $900. And I ordered the recent one. It will come soon. It's about $200. Okay. It's in the back. Okay, I will put the tailgate on, and let me know if you think this car is overpriced or is good deal I got. Okay, I got this truck with four-wheel drive. It's off-road model. It have cross control, and I got for 41,000. Okay. Please let me know if you get this truck is lower than this, or you get a good deal. Okay, under the hood. Okay, this Tacoma, it comes with V6 engine and 3.5 liter. You know, the preview model like 4 years ago, it have 4.0 engine. Okay. But they put it low to 3.5. I don't know why, maybe save the gas. So this very nice engine, because everything is new, you know, it's still new. And I will install the Tacoma letter here. Okay. Tacoma letter here is not come with the when we bought the truck. Okay. It's not come with it. Okay. Make sure you clean it out and then I use alcohol. And I ordered these from Amazon. These are like $20 or something. Okay, let's open it up. See what I have. Oh, it come like piece. Some I saw on YouTube, they have like tape. They tape it and Bye.